guess who's with me? He's got a nice little place to lie down and watch the show from behind me. Today I'm going to show you a video that was the process I used to create a piece of artwork, and I'll see you on the other side. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm thinking about doing a Skillshare class, and it's going to happen over time because right now I'm still learning how to use this camera and my software and videoing what I want to show you guys. In the meantime, I'll be posting things to YouTube. If you're seeing this on Facebook or some other place, I'd love for you to come over to YouTube. You can hit the subscribe button and you'll get all the latest, and I hope to see you again.